Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly dispute a Wells Fargo transaction and get your money back. So if you have been charged incorrectly on your Wells Fargo account, and you can dispute the transaction and get your money back. So here are the steps. Now, before filing a dispute, it's important to understand different types. Like for example, fraud. This means if someone used your card without permission, then there is the billing issue where you are charged twice or for the wrong amount. Then the service slash product issues. Like if you didn't receive an item or service as described. And finally, there is the authorization issue, like if a transaction wasn't properly authorized. Now, if your situation falls into one of these categories, then you are ready to dispute it. Now, first, go to Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking. And then, uh, once you logged in, navigate to the account activity or the statements section and find a transaction you want to dispute. I'm sure you can do this easily. And then follow the prompts to explain why you are disputing a charge. Now, provide as much detail as possible, including screenshots, receipts, or any other communication with the merchant. Now, then, after submitting it, your Wells Fargo will review your dispute, and you can also check the status by going to the dispute center. And most disputes are solved within 10 business days. So, you need to have patience here, but complex cases may take even longer. And if you have any issues and want to contact support directly, give them a call in this number 1800 451 5817 for live USB support 24/7. And that's all there is to it. If you need further assistance, call them here or you can send a mail, but I prefer you call them and this will get your issues solved faster. And if this guide was helpful, like this video and subscribe for more quick banking tips.